Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today I'm going to tell you how to come up with a killer title for your blog post. It is important for your blog post to have a good title. Why? Because if I'm scrolling through my social media feed and I come across a link to your blog post, the only information I have about it is the title. The feature image does have a role, but all it's really going to do is visually draw my attention to the title. Whether or not I decide to click on that link is 100% down to the title. So to get the traffic to your blog post, you have to get the title right. Here are the features of a strong title. It contains your focus keyword. I spoke about keywords in another video, which I will link in the description. That will just help your blog post rank in search results. It is short. No one wants to spend more time reading the title than they do reading the blog post. Apart from that, keeping it short makes it tweetable, and you have to consider how you are going to drive traffic to your blog. The most pertinent information is at the beginning of the title. Some formats only display the first X number of characters, and you have to bear that in mind. The title is relevant to the blog post and it's not over-sensationalized. Clickbait is one of the most universally annoying things on the internet today, and we've all seen it way too many times. Quick ways to make titles work. Use alliteration. Start consecutive words with the same letter or sound. Use numbers. Blog audiences love list-based articles. Just make sure the number you use in your title matches the number of points in your blog post. And make the title about the reader. That lets them know straight away that they will be getting some value out of reading your blog post. Ultimately, using strong titles will make people click, and they'll make people come back for the next blog post. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.